In the world of seduction, there lies a hidden realm known only to the top 1% of men. These men possess secrets so powerful, they can make any woman chase them, desire them, and see them as the ultimate prize. Imagine walking into a room and instantly becoming the center of attention, not because of wealth or fame, but because of an aura so magnetic, it draws everyone in. From embodying an abundance mentality to dressing with impeccable style, these men have mastered the art of attraction in ways most can only dream of. Here are 7 crazy seduction hacks used by only top 1% man. 1. Having abundance mentality. One of the key factors that set these men apart is their ability to embody an abundance mentality. They are often surrounded by women who are interested in them, which in turn makes them even more desirable. Women like men who are desired by other women because it makes them want to fight for his attention. This phenomenon, known as pre-selection, plays a crucial role in how women perceive men. 2. Don't be needy but needed. The top 1% men understand the importance of maintaining their independence and not appearing needy. Instead of constantly seeking validation or attention from women, they focus on their own goals and passions. They create a sense of being needed rather than being needy, which is incredibly alluring to women. By letting her chase them, these men flip the script. They understand that women are attracted to men who are a bit elusive and challenging to win over. 3. They don't text since it's boring and kills attraction. Many men, especially those considered beta, make the mistake of constantly texting a girl, asking mundane questions about her day or what she's doing. This behavior is seen as boring and kills attraction instantly. High-value men only text a girl when they want to ask her out or discuss something important. Otherwise, they avoid texting altogether. Instead, they prefer talking on the phone or meeting in person. These methods allow for more direct communication and show clearer signals of interest. The top 1% men consider texting a waste of time. 4. They treat themselves like a prize. If you want to be treated like a king, you must act like one. This statement couldn't be more true. It's not about being arrogant, it's about recognizing your worth and expecting nothing less than excellence. They've put in the work to become the best version of themselves, and they expect the same level of treatment from others. And girls can feel this energy whenever they are around a high-value man. 5. It's very hard to get their attention. With social media and dating apps, many people, often called betas, constantly seek validation and attention from others, especially women. They give their attention freely, hoping to win someone over. However, the top 1% men knows that their attention is priceless. They understand that their time and energy are valuable and don't give them away to just anyone. This attitude sets them apart. They aren't desperate for validation or approval because they know their own worth. When someone is selective about where they direct their attention, they become more attractive to others. People, including girls, are naturally drawn to those with self-respect and self-worth. By valuing their attention and setting healthy boundaries, high-value men show they have self-respect and won't settle for anything less than they deserve. 6. They keep it real. The top 1% men understand the superficial dating market, which is often built on lies and exaggeration, but they refuse to play along. Instead, they choose to keep it real, because they know that what they have can't be faked by other guys, and is only possible through a long period of hard work. They don't invest their time and energy in relationships that are built on lies and manipulation. If they like someone, they will show it openly and honestly, and if the feeling is not reciprocated, they are not afraid to move on. They understand that their value does not depend on the approval of others. 7. They are well-dressed. Have you ever noticed that all high-value men like James Bond, Bruce Wayne, and Harvey Specter have one thing in common? They all are well-dressed. These men understand the importance of making a strong first impression and the powerful role appearance plays in how others perceive you. A well-dressed man stands out in any crowd. He commands respect and admiration without saying a word. These men invest time in understanding what looks good on them, choosing clothes that fit perfectly and highlight their best features. They also pay attention to grooming, ensuring they always look polished and put together. When a man takes pride in his appearance, it signals to others that he values himself and takes care of his well-being. This level of self-respect is incredibly attractive to women. They see a man who dresses well as someone who has his life together, someone who is successful and ambitious. So these are the 7 ways a high-value man makes women crave for their attention. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Also make sure to check out these other videos on our channel.